Got a VEG file from a video editing project and need to pick up where someone left off? This is a project file from a professional-grade editing suite. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and work with these VEG's Pro Video project files. We'll be comparing our manual fix to the final option, made possible by using just one industry-leading VEG file inspection tool that supports a vast library of file formats. VEG files are video editing project files created by VEG's Pro, the professional nonlinear video editing application developed by MAGIX. They store multi-track timeline arrangements with video and audio clip references, transitions effects, color grading settings, titles, compositing data, and rendering configurations for video production workflows. VEG's Pro. VEG files use a proprietary XML-based format, storing timeline structure with track definitions, clip placement data including source file references and in-out points, transition parameters, effect chains, with keyframe parameters, audio mixing data, and project-level settings for resolution, frame rate, and color space. The native handler for VEG files is usually VEG's Pro from MAGIX Software GmbH. Windows allows basic viewing, but true content manipulation requires a specialized application. Windows handles video previewing easily, but professional editing requires feature-rich applications. We are performing a foundational software check. Right-click your VEG file and choose Open With. Test with VEG's Pro first. If it's missing, select another program. It's often a simple software fix. If you are still having trouble opening the VEG file, do not worry. Your system failed to open the VEG file. We need to bypass the failure by running these 3 crucial diagnostic steps right now. First, opening in VEG's Pro. Launch VEG's Pro and open the VEG file using File, then Open. The project timeline loads with all tracks, clips, transitions, effects, and audio mixing intact. Ensure all reference media files remain accessible at their original paths, or use the Reconnect Media dialog to locate moved source files. Next, recovering missing media. If VEG's Pro reports missing media files, when opening a project, use the Find Missing Media tool to browse for relocated files. Point VEG's to the folder containing the source video and audio files, and it remaps all timeline references automatically. Consolidate media into a single folder to prevent future path issues. Finally, rendering final output. Configure render settings using File, then Render. As in VEG's Pro, select an output format, such as MP4 with MAGIX AVC codec for web delivery or DNxHD MXF for broadcast. Adjust resolution, bitrate, and frame rate settings, then render the timeline to produce the final edited video output file. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagic, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagic.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.